Manufacturing experience, together with technological innovation, create high efficiency. Our company-owned 8+16 manufacturing model, 16 hours fully automated, 8 hours human-assisted, effectively reduces labor intensity and enables multi-machine operation, increasing production efficiency and processing accuracy. 3-dimensional warehouses improve inventory handling. AGV joint operation guarantees a rapid flow of raw materials, supporting parts and finished parts. Assembly lines are designed to reduce labor intensity while maximizing production effectiveness. Digital platforms secure a high level of efficient supply chain coordination. Deep integration with MES and WMS allow real-time interaction with production equipment. By incorporating digital technologies in our production process, Haitian achieves higher operational efficiency for all key components of products and a sustainable optimization of cost efficiency. Information technologies as a core enabler of further innovations while keeping the cost of our products at a steady level, creating and extending advantage for our customers.